to create a sprite. Now I can write rock, paper, scissors. If then the answer to the question is equal to rock, let me make it lowercase so that it's not trouble anybody. Currently it's not going to do anything. Wait, I make a new variable called for all sprites called rpsp underscore player, which is basically what the player chose. I'll set the rps underscore player. I will set it to the answer to the question, which is going to be rock, paper, scissors. Now I'm going to copy the sprite, except that this time it's not going to ask any question. It's going to do random. Pick a random number for 1 to 3. 1 is rock, 2 is paper, and 3 is scissors. Change costume to what you need. What's this repeat 2 doing here? Oh, it's not repeat 2. I make a new variable for all sprites called rock, paper, scissors underscore opponent. If then I will set it to pick a random number from 1 to 3. Forever, if then rock, paper, scissors underscore opponent. Oh no, I forgot. I don't have a scratch. I don't saw it. If it is equal to 1, I'll make a separate statement. This is if it's equal to 2. This is if it's equal to 3. Switch costume to, this one is switch costume to rock, this one is scissor, this one is paper. Now it's going to be different each time. I'm going to switch the costume to the answer of F, which is obviously rock. Good. Set rps underscore opponent to, where is it, costume name There we go. All is going well. And now I'll make a broadcast. I'm just going to do default broadcast so that it will only change to a random one after the player has finished answering the question. We don't want it to be changing while the player is still answering. So when I receive message 1, set RPS underscore opponent to a random number. I'll just put rubbish. Oops. I'll just put rubbish. All is going well. Now, what I'm going to do is that set costume name. I'll finally make the win condition if RPS underscore opponent is the same as RPS underscore player. Then say you tie exclamation mark now to make the rest. If RPS underscore opponent is equal to rock and if RPS underscore player is equal to rock and RPS underscore opponent, where is it? Is not equal to paper, then say win. I'll copy this and make the two other conditions. This one is paper scissor. This is scissor rock. Now I'll put it over here. I forgot to change it to if else. Oh, now I'm going to have to do this. I'll replace this with if else. Say win. Else say instead say lose. Now let's see if it works. Rock. Win. Rock. Win. Rock. Lose. Rock. Win. Again. I better set the set positions. I'll set this position and also set this position. Paper. Oops. Paper. Lose. Oh no, I set these two different positions. Why did I do that? That's why it's all messed up. Might as well. Paper. Lose. This way, this is supposed to say win. Oh no, it's supposed to be scissor. Paper. Loose. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.